Look at this mother. Look at him spraying. He is spraying the sky. Again.
The government knows what is happening. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people.
What is that, Mom? Ma, you see this?
Quote, FBI has received tips of more than 5,000 reported drone sightings in the last few weeks with approximately 100 leads generated. And the federal government is supporting state and local officials in investigating these reports. Consistent with each of our unique missions and authorities, we are quickly working to prioritize or law enforcement drones or planes or helicopters. It's funny to see people respond to these claims. People aren't having it and aren't believing them for a second. Huge portion of New Jersey. Now watch, even though they're banned, these sightings are still going to continue. Then what are they going to say?
Look at this mother. Look at him spraying. He is spraying the sky. Again. Bro, this is crazy, man. Look at this guy. They're spraying the skies.
A man walked out of his residential home this night in New Jersey, and he began watching these drones flying way up in the sky. As he watched, one of the drones, this one in particular, began spraying something out or something. You can tell he's completely shocked. The drone is many, many miles up into the sky, but somehow a perfect beam of light stretches on for miles, down towards the ground. Now come on, you're telling me this is just a regulated drone? I don't think so. Now yes, planes create trails that look kind of similar to this, but at night they wouldn't look like this. This trail here almost looks to be illuminated in the dark night sky. And this doesn't look like a plane. First, we see a couple bright lights and a red blinking light moving throughout the sky. Then this thing starts shooting out red beams of light at tremendous speeds. I mean, this UAP is already traveling at least a couple hundred miles per hour, judging by how quickly it's moving throughout this area of the sky. But the beams of red light travel way faster than the craft. An unimaginable speed. Spotted at 2 a.m. in New Jersey. It looks like the Xbox logo out there. How big is this thing? I would say this is one of the most compelling videos yet. This strange and absolutely huge craft is just hovering out there. It has no lights, trying to remain stealthy. But it was still easily caught on camera. It really does look like the Xbox logo, like this guy states. It's white and seems to be a curved X shape. This one can't just be a plane or just any ordinary drone because of the hovering ability and the immense size. If you pay close attention, you can see a dim light orb appear and disappear in the top right-hand corner of the screen. But it's unknown if this is just a visual glitch or something. Speaking of orbs, that's a perfect way to segue into this next clip. Now, not only are these UAPs just appearing as strange crafts, but they're also now appearing as otherworldly orbs. This is a brand new exclusive clip that was just uploaded an hour earlier from the time I'm filming this. It was posted on December 19th and titled, Possible Orb Sighting in New Jersey.
He just revoked Dad! 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 I think Mommy's gonna sign me up. I think Mommy's gonna sign me up.
Now, unlike these other videos, this one was taken in broad daylight, making it extremely convincing. If it was night, people would be saying, oh, this is just a star. But obviously stars aren't out during the day, especially ones this bright and odd looking. It almost looks like it's two combined or something when they zoom in. And even if this was taken at night, it still doesn't even look like a normal star. It looks like a star trying to disguise itself as a star or something. I don't know how else to describe it. The father was outside playing with his children when he spotted this out-of-place light. Haven't seen it already, definitely go check it out. One of my favorite videos I've ever put out. But keep watching this one, we're not done yet. Check it out after if you want, of course. But anyways, enough plugging my channel, let's get back into this important encounter. A mother and son stepped out in their backyard in their small neighborhood in New Jersey to watch these drones. They saw the drones flying in the skies above and were intrigued. So they stood out there for a while. Until suddenly, one of the drones got closer and closer. When the son realized what he was seeing, he quickly pulled out his phone just in time and captured this.
What the hell? What is that, Mom? Mom, you see this?
No. Holy sh**. What the hell is that?
It looks like two airplanes combined in one or something. The craft just looks downright off. It's equipped with bright blinking lights on each side. They blink to red, yellow, blue, purple, and green. Planes do not have all of these colors on their lights. A plane usually just consists of white lights and also red and green flashing lights. Skeptics called out AI on this one, stating that the craft is simply AI generated. But this one does look pretty real and doesn't really look like AI. Sightings from New Jersey. First, we start off with this clip, where multiple bars of light are seen zooming through the distant sky.
There they are! There they are! There they are! Oh. Marmora, New Jersey.
We see three crafts, one up high, one to the right, and one to the left. He gets the best footage of the one on the left. Freezing the footage here, the UAP seems to be just a bar of four interconnected lights. It's literally just a straight line of white round lights. He continues this compilation with this clip.
We shouldn't be outside.
A girl was outside in her yard watching the sky after she heard about all of these drones. That's when she caught this plane-like UAP. A fixed-wing craft. However, this one could just be a plane, but she believes something was off about it and that it was flying weird. So she believes it wasn't just a plane. Regardless, still some interesting footage. Next in the compilation, we have two triangular drones ripping through the night sky.
Go! Well, here they are. They look like a f***ing look like a triangle.
They look to be fixed-wing crafts as well, but these ones don't look like any ordinary planes or anything like that. Next, we have one of the best clips of them all. I already covered this one in one of my previous videos and I loved it. Footage.
Oh my god, here we go. Here it is. Freaking kidding me right now. What is that?
An unfamiliar aircraft roars through the night. This is not a plane. As we can tell, the shape is not like a plane's. It's more circular and wide. It certainly looks like a UFO or something. It almost looks to be star-shaped or something. Freezing it here gives us a good look at the lights. 7 lights surround the craft with 1 or 2 large red blinking lights. Some online viewers theorize this is a top-secret government-made craft that we've never seen before, and that we weren't supposed to see at all. Others believe this is an alien craft from another planet. The correct theory, though, remains unknown.